Welcome to SmartPathSG, where every student can learn, grow, and succeed. Welcome to Part 4 of our 4-part complete guide to fractions in PSLE Math. Today, we'll cover combined topics, where questions mix fractions with ratio and decimals. Our first practice question involves fractions and ratios. The ratio of boys to girls in a class is 3 to 5. 2/5 of the boys wear glasses, and there are 6 boys who wear glasses. How many students are in the class altogether? Let's start with a bar model to visualize the question. The ratio of boys to girls is 3 to 5, so we could use 8 units to represent the total students. But considering that we also need to represent 2/5 of the boys, we should scale up each unit by 5 to a total of 40 units. You may recall this is what we learned in pattern 1 of last lesson. So 3 to 5 ratio is scaled up to 15 to 25. Of the 15 units of boys, 2/5 wear glasses. That's 2/5 times 15, or 6 units. The question also tells us that the number of boys who wear glasses is 6. This information can be used to find the total number of boys. Recall this is a finding the whole given apart question that we learned in part 2 of this series. We take the part and divide it by the fraction. Total number of boys equals 6 divided by 2/5, which equals 6 times 5 over 2 and gets us 15. Next, we find out the value of each unit. Since there are 15 boys, which is represented by 15 units, 1 unit equals 1. Following this, since girls are represented by 25 units in the bar model, we multiply 25 units by our unit value of 1, which gives us 25 girls. Finally, we add the number of boys and girls. 15 plus 25 equals 40 students total in the class. Recognizing that ratio is just a different way of representing fractions, you can readily apply what you have learned about fractions in previous lessons to such combined topic problems. Next, we tackle a problem combining fractions and decimals. Mrs. Lim bought 2.4 kilograms of flour. She used 1/3 of it to bake a cake and packed the remaining flour into small bags of 0.2 kilograms each. How many bags of flour did she pack? Bar model for this question is straightforward. Total 2.4 kilograms of flour can be represented by 3 units, of which 1 unit is used for cake, and the remaining 2 units are packed into small 0.2 kilograms bags. Let's first find out how much flour was used for cake. We multiply 1/3 by total 2.4 kilograms and get 0.8 kilograms of flour. Next, we find out remaining flour by subtracting flour used for cake from the initial total. 2.4 minus 0.8 gets us 1.6 kilograms. Finally, we calculate number of small bags by dividing the remaining flour, 1.6 kilograms, by weight of each small bag, 0.2 kilograms, which gives us 8. Recognizing that decimals are just a special type of numbers, you can proceed with solving such problems as usual. Finally, let's recap key concepts and skills for mastering fractions in PSLE. You need to be comfortable with all 4 operations on fractions, including dividing a fraction by a fraction, mixed numbers, improper fractions, and multi-step fraction word problems. An essential skill is fraction division. Remember, flip and multiply, always cancel first, and always check your answer by multiplying back. That concludes our 4-part complete guide to fractions. We have covered everything from fundamental operations and word problems to the combined topics discussed today. Catch up on all lessons in the series and review specific topics as needed. Thanks for watching. Head over to SmartPathSG.com to play our free PSLE practice game or join our community for more tips and resources. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week.